Hello everyone, I am Ritesh and welcome back to the Tech Advisor YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to unbox and unpack this Grenaro S12-Pro wireless microphone. So this is the box of the microphone and we'll unbox this. Let's get directly into the unboxing. So this product is called S12-Pro, Grenaro S12-Pro microphone. And everywhere you can see the specification mentioned. Let's unbox this. So guys, here is the box, and inside this we get a warranty card and a connector. This will go to your mobile phone, and these are the mics, two microphones. Let's see what's more inside the box. Here is one more box. I think it will have the charger and all, and one 3.5 mm to Type-C connector, and another Type-C to 3.5 mm, so you can plug a headphone over here, and a charger. So this is quite unique charger because you get two Type-C port from one Type-A. You can directly charge both of your microphone at one time. So you can connect over this here and here, and you can just charge at one time. There is one more thing inside the box. That is a user manual guide. So this is a user manual guide. You can read this to understand how it works. Okay, so now let's connect the receiver to my smartphone, and I'll turn this here on. So I have connected this first microphone to my smartphone, and I'll not be using this second microphone because I'm the only one speaking over in this video. So I'll just keep this aside and we'll test this microphone. So this is the normal voice from this Grenaro S12-Pro microphone. Now let's check out the noise cancellation feature in this microphone. Yeah, I think you will be able to hear the noise in this video or in this sample. There are a lot of background noise in this video because I haven't turned on the noise cancellation feature on this microphone. So now let's turn on the first level of noise cancellation in this video. So this LED will blink once, and here is the button, and when I press this LED will blink once, and this is the indication that this is on the noise cancellation level 1. So this is the sample audio from the Grenaro S12-Pro microphone with noise cancellation level 1. So you may hear that there is a sudden reduction in the noise and the air noise is gone. So this is the first level of this microphone. Now let's turn on the second level of this microphone, the second level of noise cancellation. Here I'll press this button once more, and the LED blink 2 times. So this is the indication that this is on the second level of noise cancellation. So this is the audio sample from the second level of noise cancellation on this Grenaro S12-Pro wireless microphone. Now let's test the third level of noise cancellation on this microphone. So you will have to press this button once more, and this LED will blink 3 times. So now this is on the third level of noise cancellation, which is the maximum level of noise cancellation. This supported by this microphone, and this is the maximum level. So now you might have seen that, or you might have heard that there is no background noise in my video, and just me speaking in this video. So this was the third level of noise cancellation in this microphone. So to turn off the noise cancellation mode, you will have to press this button once more, and this LED will not blink this time. This is the indication that your noise cancellation feature is off now, and the audio you will be recording will be pure audio. From taking the background noise to the human voice, everything will be recorded over here. Now let me show you one more feature, that is the mute option directly from the mic. So you will have to press this 2 times, and you'll see the So you have seen that this mic was on mute and my audio was not audible. So now let me show you one more, and that is the coolest feature in this microphone, and I don't think most of the microphones support this, like the reverb mode in this microphone. So if you want to sing sometime, you can use this microphone. Just press this button 3 times, 1 2 3, and this light will blink. And now this is on the reverb mode, and everything you will hear will be echoed. This supports reverb mode, so it's better if you want to sing sometime. So guys, do let me know in the comment section how was the audio quality from this wireless microphone Grenaro S12 Pro, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.